Hey, this is Arlene. I just went in for a few minutes to Best Buy to buy my TV, and look, already they get in your car. They want to let me know they were in my car. Plus, there's a bunch of perps that have been driving back and forth. So, this yellow truck, his license plate is JR293. If you're going to be a perp, you should probably have plates that are not customized, because you make it very easy for someone like me to remember your plates. So shout out to the yellow bright Bumblebee SUV. I think it's a Ram JR293. I mean, when you drive up and down the street, and then that one over there, that one right there. So, what can I tell you? Hold on. Oh, hi. Oh, that was fast.
Want to get on the other side so you can get the bullet?
Yeah. You want, what did you say?
Just bullet.
Okay, sure.
Can you move that seat up a little?
Yeah.
Close your door first. It's not going to close.